Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I'm going to share hiring news. Let's jump into the video, friends. So basically friends, before we start, I would like you to visit my profile and follow it because I'm posting lots of jobs for freshers, professionals and everyone. So keeping that aside, I'm going to share this news with you. A company called KROLL, it's a fintech company. This company is going to hire 500 people. And keeping that aside, let's talk about the news. So it's a global technology hub in Hyderabad is focused on developing technology solutions through which it aims to expand its global product portfolio in 2023. So in 2023, this company is going to develop its technology hub in Hyderabad, and the global risk and financial advisor solutions company KROLL aims to hire 500 people for its offices in India. So there are offices in Mumbai, Hyderabad and Delhi, and they are going to hire 500 people in these three regions. And most probably in Hyderabad there would be most of the jobs related to the technology. And let's open this and let's talk about this article. So basically friends, if you see this, so KROLL, as I said, KROLL is developing its technology hub here in Hyderabad, and next they are going to hire the 500 people, and also they are also increasing their portfolio. I mean, they are increasing their clients as well. So this is something told by this person, Dev Kotari. He's a MD for a KROLL for India, if I'm not wrong. So I think it's a great opportunity if someone is looking for a job, and I think they are developing a product like APIs here, product like an API. And one more thing is that basically the people who have laid off, it would be definitely helpful for them. And yeah, that's it friends. I think it's a great opportunity for the job seekers. And in my upcoming video I would be sharing how you can search, filter and apply for the jobs in KROLL. So probably it would helpful for you in the future. And until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you.